This is Sai Prasad, and this is our day 2 of 30 days of AWS Terraform series. Before we jump into hands-on Terraform coding and start provisioning cloud resources, it's essential to understand one of the fundamental building blocks of Terraform, which is a Terraform provider. What is actually a Terraform provider means? So here you are going to see that AWS documentation which is provided by the 𝗖ście or Terraform. Terraform provider acts as a bridge between Terraform and your cloud platform. You can think of it's a plugin that translate your Terraform configuration into API calls that your cloud provider understands. For example, if you want to create any resources in AWS cloud, let's say we are going to create 𝗖cie. So before going to create directly S3, that our HCL needs to connect with that AWS cloud, right? So instead of creating manually, we are going to communicate through the AWS Terraform provider, which converts your Terraform code into AWS API calls. So to make Terraform work, we need to add a plugin called Terraform provider. This translation process is handled entirely by the Terraform provider plugin. Okay. Okay. We'll explore how we are going to write AWS provider. Okay. See, in you are able to see my screen, right? Like this is a AWS provider, and we can fetch the provider from here. So this is the default provider. It will fetch the latest version. So we are going to see at how we are going to write the Terraform provider. This is a main.tf file. It consists of main configuration file. See, in VS Code, I have already installed an 𝗖ście Terraform, right? So we'll check from here whether our system contains Terraform or not. Okay. Our system contains Terraform, so we are able to see the related commands which is related to Terraform. Init, validate, plan, apply, and destroy. Okay, so in this way, we are able to write the Terraform providers. Okay.